Hey everybody, it's Brian with the Oceans Atlantic Success Plan. It's here to tell you about a new product that just came out, I think yesterday. It's YouTube Marketing 2018 Success Kit. Anyway, if you're looking for how to market on YouTube and make money, then this is a great product to get. Anyway, you can either get the whole success kit, or you can just, buy the front end product depending on what you want to do. If you're just trying to learn how to market and use YouTube to make money, then you can get the front end product. I think it's still on early bird right now. But if you want your own product to sell that's complete with everything, then you can buy the whole success kit. But anyway, the front end product, you'll get a complete training guide with 102 pages, showing you all the steps and everything to take to get your marketing on YouTube going, and how to do it correctly and how to make money with it. If you get the whole success kit, you get the whole, you get the quality training guide. You get a cheat sheet, mind map, a top resource report. You get your own high converting sales copy with it. You get 6 professional mini sites. You get doodle style sales videos included with it. You get email swipes that you can use for affiliates to promote it for you. You get complete set of animated banners, complete set of professional graphics, etc. Anyway, like I said, this is a great product if you want to learn YouTube marketing and do it correctly, or if you're looking for your own product to sell. I suggest upgrading and getting the whole success kit. Anyway, it's on early bird pricing right now, so I think you can get the front end for $9 or something like that, $9.95. Anyway, if you'd like to pick it up from the link below this video. Subscribe to my channel, Oceans Atlantic Success Plan. Hit the notification bell, that way you get notified anytime I upload something with new products that I'm promoting. Anyway, everybody have a great day, great night, wherever you live in this world. This is Brian. Talk to you later. Bye.